The industry is moving fast. Chips are getting smaller. Processes are more complex. Material purity expectations are being raised, while the industry is demanding more sustainable solutions. Manufacturers need material that can handle extreme conditions and meet the strict environmental standard. That's where Syensqo comes in. We're excited to launch Tecnoflon FFKM NFS, the industry's first perfluoroelastomer made without fluorosurfactant. It's a game changer for both performance and sustainability in semiconductor manufacturing. Our brand new Tecnoflon FFKM NFS portfolio delivers the ultra-high purity chemical resistance and thermal stability that semiconductor fab needs. Even in the harshest environments, we have also expanded our FFKM portfolio to include new type of more technically advanced resin, further enhancing our ability to meet the evolving demand of the semiconductor industry with cutting-edge solutions. More importantly, it is made without fluorosurfactant, helping fabs reduce their environmental impact and meet new regulations. It's all about reliability and flexibility. Now we are providing both nitrile and peroxide-curable grades to fit different manufacturing needs and will be rapidly followed by new grades. Tecnoflon FFKM NFS addresses the semiconductor customer's strong demand for the sustainable and resilient supply chain while pushing the limit of performance. We are not just a material supplier, but a solution provider. From the very first idea to the final production, our advanced material and R&I capability empower our customer to push the boundary and achieve breakthrough in the dynamic semiconductor industry. Let's shape the future of semiconductor together.